Ravens. I can't holler real loud. I'm in somebody's house. All right. Mic check. Check this one out. Shorty, pull your mask up. I want to thank Brandon Scott for giving me this attention because it really benefited me by you telling me to get my mask up. Because in the same thing that make you laugh gonna make you cry. I'm gonna unmask you. We talking about Gov.O'Malley and his mom machine. We talking about stopping, frisk, and zero tolerance. We talking about the money behind the machine. So let's go right here. One mask fits all. You feel me? One mask fits all. It fits your face. It fits your face. And it fits your face. Because we talking about Justice 2021. We talking about Keith Davis. We talking about Tawanda Jones. We talking about cases that you're going to have to look at in 2021. We want a federal grand jury. Goes from 2014, because like I said, I ran for office. Goes from 2014. You feel me? Do your job or lose your job. And you know me, I'm good for shutting shit down. That's evidence received. I'm a whistleblower on the courts, and we talking about interstate compacts for prisoners. You feel me? I'm a whistleblower on the court in the prison industry. And your state's attorney had this on February the 2nd, 2011. You feel me? Your state's attorney had this. That's Illinois, that's Maryland. That's city, county, state, and federal levels. We're going to level up. I'm going to charge you with kidnapping too. You feel me? We're going to charge you with kidnapping too. Because we was talking about the murder and the death of our kids. We ain't supposed to bury our kids supposed to bury us. And that's just the way it's supposed to be. See the date? That's the email. Dwayne G. Davis at AOL.com. That's Mayor Moxley from Waukegan, Illinois, because I told y'all what I was going to do to y'all. I came home on vacation. I came back on probation. Y'all locked me up for toilets and charged me with terrorists. This goes straight to you, Brandon, because like I said, you fit that mask. Mask up, Brandon. Pull your mask up, Brandon. No, I'm going to pull your mask off, Brandon. That's Mayor Pugh. See that? We talking about your city solicitor and the money y'all make off the prison industry. These are the cases. 07CF4988. 082. Yeah. That's where you refuse to defend my rights. That's the state prosecutor because Shellenberger won't do his job. Mosby won't do her job. So I gave it to the state prosecutor and the chief of police. Because I'm going to show you how you protecting white supremacy. The same way that those white boys opened up the Capitol House, y'all been protecting white supremacy in Baltimore with your police department and with your officers. You feel me? That's the Secret Service. So we don't have no misunderstandings because y'all sent the Secret Service to my house. I already got a case filed with the Secret Service, the Department of Justice, the FBI. And these are emails because emails going to send y'all asses to jail. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, Senator Antonio Hayes. You got that? I hope so. I was insured when I did this. Contact Al Redmer, Doug Colbert from the University of Maryland Law School. Because I know law. I'm teaching classes today. You're going to learn something from me. That's Chief Justice Roberts in 2007. Like I said, we started this in 2007. This was a social scientific experiment about race and racism. And that's my family. Respectfully submitted. You feel me? That's my family in 2018. Because y'all stole me from my family. See that? That's Michael Nearham. Alright? Meat on Fire. That's Shorty's barbecue right there. Windy Valley, when I started this in 1997. That's Johnny Oleski. Johnny Oleski get a pass because he asked for the Department of Justice to investigate me. I was making a movie. I was using white people to make a movie about racism on Falls Road. And these white people is in the movie. I'm the man in the red hat. You got that? That's Eric Holder of the Department of Justice. That's the Department of Justice, Ronald Davis. And welcome to the big show, because I'm getting ready to show out. You ready for this? I'm getting ready to unmask y'all. Like I said, Brandon, this is your life. Like I said, we crossed paths in 2010 when we met. I don't want you to say I do something behind your back, because I'm going to do it in your face. When y'all had these meetings from now on, y'all got to do everything in front of City Hall because of the virus. Y'all can't do inside reporting. So when I see Jane Miller, when I see Barry Sims, when I see Joy Lolapolo, When I see y'all, make sure that y'all turn y'all license into the FCC. Because 2021, my whistleblower's application going to invent you too. That's D'Souza. Y'all gave D'Souza an audit. I want an audit too. Because that right there says this is artwork and evidence. Art and evidence. And that's the case, and that's the bomb. The bomb is a toilet. And it's all about Governor O'Malley and his mom machine. That's Al Redmer. When I left here in 2007, I was insured until August of 2008. I had $1 million policy. Y'all got to pay that policy off. That's the legislative black caucus, because all black ain't black. You feel that? All black ain't black. That's States Attorney Mosby, 2016. That's President Trump. Because like I said, I'm going to file criminal charges against President Trump because he gets paid off the prison industry too. He got a vested interest in this. I'm a whistleblower. The same way that y'all went after President Trump as a whistleblower, I was going after y'all. But you got to deal with it now, Mr. Biden, because you had it when President Obama was in office. You feel me? That's President Obama. That's Lester Holt. You feel me? And that's my film crew right there. That's what you call a cameraman. That's a boom. And that's a director. And he wearing my Shorty shirt. This is my film crew. No attack occurred. And no attack occurred. That's Kurt Anderson. You feel me? That's Will Smith. And I don't mean the actor. I mean our representative, Senator Will Smith. That's Speaker Jones. I was kidnapped from my home, Speaker Jones. 1402 Lochner. That's me in Lake County, Illinois. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. That's Brian Frost. That's my director. That's called intellectual property. And everything that white man got, Brian Frost need to take it to the grand jury for 2021. That's Mr. Miller. And Mr. Miller know me very well. Mr. Miller, me and Senator Kelly, Peter Angelos. Man, who don't know me with you? We made a video called Puppet Law. If you go on YouTube, Google Puppet Law. Go look at all the videos on Puppet Law. I gave you all the information over like 8 years ago. I have no quarrels with you. Like I said, I was making a movie. Camera don't lie. White people do. It's called the Minority Report because I'm a minority and I'm outing y'all using outhouses and using toilets. That's Jeff Majors and me. You feel me? That's my film crew. That's me. That's my grill. That's Rob Fix. No, that's Jeff some shit. That's Jeff. Oh, that's the Big Fat Morning Show. Y'all remember me? That's Mark Clark. Yeah, used to cheat on your wife. That's David Moon. That's Sandy. And that's the Baltimore City Courts of Baltimore County. You see that? That's Judge Turnbull. Dwayne Gerald Davis Sr. That's an order for my property to be returned. And my property ain't been returned. Let me see who this is. I want to turn you up. That's Mary Washington. See that? That's Mary Washington. That's Mayor Pugh. And that's a man on the grill. And you see that sign? I don't get mad, I get even. Yeah, revenge is the best served cold. See that? That's me in Style magazine. This is the Circuit Court of Baltimore County. And I don't know if you can read and write. I don't know if you can read or write. Oh, never mind. But I'm going to read this for you. And I don't read very well, so you got to bear with me, all right? This is the Circuit Court of Baltimore County, all right? And that's the case number right there. Can you read? Y'all can go check this case number. Go Google search that right there, because y'all in the computers and shit. Go Google search that case. Thursday, the 29th day of September, 2011 at 9 a.m. to produce the following documents and objects. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban, truck registration number. You feel me? Registered to Dwayne G. Davis, date of birth 12/26/59. VIN number. September the 7th, 2011. The contents of the defendant's vehicle has been destroyed or disposed of, then to produce the defendant's vehicle, Jerome Joyce Esquire. You feel me? That's a body attachment. I was exposing Governor O'Malley's mom machine right here. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Scott Shellenberger and Bernstein. That's Mr. O'Neill in Baltimore County Detention Center. And that's Commissioner Belfield. That's Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson. I named your judges and your lawyers, and you can't do nothing about it. That's your TV stations. That's why they ain't filed no complaints against me, because I gave y'all that information before. You feel me? These are the cases. I asked to give up my citizenship. Hillary Clinton, Condoleezza Rice, P.J. Crawley. You feel me? It's on the toilet. Political figures, total knowledge, DVDs. Senator Dodd, he was with the banking committee. Senator John McCain, Senator Cardin. Dodd is gone. McCain is dead, but Cardin's still sitting in that seat. The Maryland Black Caucus, Baltimore City Council, Congressman Cummings, Dutch Rupersberger. Brent Jones of the Baltimore Sun, he got it on 8/23/2009. Block party gets bigger and better. Yeah. Nick Madigan, man held in toilet paper. Y'all already had that. That's fake news. You feel me? WJZ, Kai Jackson had it. Adam May had it. Bob Turk had it. Ron Matz, Tim Williams, Stein Saunders. Stein Saunders gave the DVD to PFK Boone. That's how me and PFK Boone got together, because Stein Saunders gave it to him. Gigi Barnett, Marty Bass. Mike Shue had this, and me, Mike Shue from Illinois. He from Southern Illinois. He a Suki. But me and Mike Shue got all that. Mike Shue gonna be a witness. He don't work for the station no more, so the shielding law don't apply to Mike Shue. When I asked Mike Shue to tell them questions, man, we gonna talk about it. Richard Sherry did the first story on me on Hard Look in 1997. All right? Like I said, I work for 85% of the richest people in this state. That's Mary Wells from the Supremes, the original Supremes. That's Mary Wells. That's Shorty's Pit Beef and Rib Shack. That's Shorty's and City Paper. You feel me? Like I said, 07-498. It says, it's hereby give the defendants evidence in this case on January the 7th, 2010. You stole my evidence here, and you stole my evidence here. That makes y'all thieves. You feel me? And my representatives don't want to deal with it because y'all's 401ks is tied to the prison industry. You feel me? That's the Ravens. The Ravens just won the playoff game. That's Ed Mulatolo. Ask him about me. Both Super Bowls, I dealt with y'all. That's Ozzie Newsome. I work for 85% of the richest people in this state. I was making a movie about y'all. That's a movie release, a Shorty documentary. Make my funk the P-Funk. I want my funk on cut. I want the bomb. I want the P-Funk. Yeah. Parliament Funkadelic, George Clinton. She brightens your teeth while she brightens your life, while she lies to your face. I ain't gonna tell you nothing nice. That's Terry Hill, House of Representatives, your delegate. I was making a movie about y'all. That's a wife beater. He be beating his wife. You feel me? All black ain't black because they ain't only said nothing, Jazzy Lewis. Yeah. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. Don't hate the player, dog. Hate the game. Y'all the ones that played this game. This is Maryland. It's politics. I'm just a cook. And I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Pugh's lawyer seeks leniency. That's Mayor Pugh. And Mayor Pugh can get a pass if she come testify against O'Malley and his machine. Mayor Pugh, your weakest link. Shellenberger, your weakest link. Y'all got too many hoes in y'all's game. Y'all got too many hoes in y'all's game. You feel me? And if Mayor Pugh testify against y'all, this whole criminal enterprise that you got is going to send you to jail. Like I said, I'm just a cook. And I'm getting ready to cook you up. Y'all got mad at me because I'm not from Baltimore. I'm from Zion, Illinois. I came here straight out of the Illinois Department of Corrections. I didn't go to city. I didn't go to poly. I don't have no loyalty to y'all, and y'all ain't got no loyalty to me. Y'all clowning me talking about Shorty, pull your mask up. Dog, I'm going to pull your mask off and tear your ass up. How did that sound? On January the 13th, we go in front of the session opens up. I don't want no new laws. I want you to return my property under the Constitution of the United States, under the Fifth Amendment. If you don't return my property under the Fifth Amendment, then you got to compensate me for my losses. I was kidnapped by the state. My property was stolen in Illinois and in Maryland because I was making a movie about white people. You got a problem with that? Take me to court. Matter of fact, we going to the court. Because if you don't give me the grand jury, we going to the Supreme Court. I get to bite the apple twice because you stole me twice. You want me to be mad at Donald Trump? No, man, I'm mad at Gov.O'Malley and his mob machine. I'm mad at this plantation politics that y'all got in Baltimore. I'm mad at Brandon Scott, and Brandon Scott is mad at me. You feel me? Let me turn you around. That's your plantation owner. That's who own you. Don't nobody own me. Don't nobody own me. I own Shorty's. I own all parts of me. And you're gonna have to pay me. Every bit of me. Shorty's bootleg barbecue so good I'm illegal. You called me a terrorist. You made me illegal. I was Shorty's underground ribs. Still was and still is. I need an audit. When we get an audit, you gonna give an addition. Now this is where we at. Y'all be trying to rock in a higher place in the mud and the dirt, because y'all got 52 politicians I named in them indictments. The grand jury gonna hear all them names. We gonna read you like roll call. You feel me? Democrats, Republicans, Jane Miller, Tim Tennyson, Barry Sims, Richard Sher. I'll meet you there. Y'all didn't have a problem scandalizing my name, victimizing me when I was locked up. Like I told Jane Miller, like I told Joe LaPola, like I told Brandon Scott. I ain't locked up no more. I'm a better friend than I am an enemy. Ask Charles Barkley when he came to Baltimore, when I hollered Mike check. I've been shutting y'all down. You should have stayed in your place. But when you chose to fight with me, and you chose to defend these individuals, you want to defend these individuals, defend them. That's Congressman Cummings. All right, that's me. That's 2014. That's Gov.O'Malley. That's a movie release. See that? That's a movie release. That's the White House. That's the White House right there. That's President Trump. That's States Attorney Mosby. This the Maryland Black Caucus. Because all black ain't black, like I said. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. See the names? See the dates? I shouldn't have never been locked up. You kidnapped me. You stole me. You're going to pay me. Shellenberger's your weakest link. Shellenberger and Pugh, between the two of them, a black woman and a white man. She already in jail. He's scared of going to jail. I got my white friends that's in the movie. I got Larry Hogan and L. Redmer got my information. I told you I was making a movie. Right there. It says, Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner, 443-831-1188. Lisa Madigan. And that's my Illinois number. 08 IG. Yeah, from 08. False imprisonment. Racism in Lake County, Illinois. That's P.O. Box 38. I was in Lake County, Illinois, so I couldn't have been signing checks in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. Baltimore County got a $350 check with my name on it in March of 2008. I was still locked up. I didn't get out of jail till June. So whoever wrote that check will be gone by November. And this is just January. Marilyn Mosby, you and your husband can go to jail. Y'all gonna have to put your kids in daycare. Give them to your grandmama. Y'all gonna have to learn about being black in Baltimore. Y'all getting ready to give up y'all's privilege. Because the only way that y'all ain't gonna go to jail if y'all snitch on Governor O'Malley. Because like I said, you got this information. You had this information. And I gave your name to the Department of Justice. I'm a whistleblower. You feel me? Now, Governor Hogan, that's you. That's you. And that's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. And that's Karen Levy. My lawyer and my conspired to deny me my rights. They wanted me to plead guilty to a crime I didn't commit. Now, that's Governor Hogan. Right there. And that's Judge Bennett. U.S. District Court. You feel me? That's U.S. District Court. Judge Bennett. He in it. I asked for a nomad hearing so we can tie Lake County and Baltimore together. You give me a nomad hearing, we can go right there with the grand jury. Because y'all held me for 186 days. You kidnapped me. Yeah. And you knew about this. You let them kidnap me. And you want to talk about you for prisoners' rights. No. You, Brandon Scott. Yeah. Y'all frenemies. I'm not a friend of none of y'all. I got grandkids I miss because of y'all. Fair exchange. Ain't no stick up without a gun. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. Right there. 2008. How could I write checks if I was locked up? Inmate. 6 Northeast 33B. That's my jail cell. See that? That's the Department of Justice. Eric Holder. See that? Now that's 2009, where I asked for a public hearing. You feel me? February 2009. I never got that hearing. So Governor Hogan, Governor O'Malley, Kwesi Mfume, President Biden. I won first. I've been waiting to have my freedom. I've been waiting for my justice since 2008. When Biden swore in, I won first. When Governor Hogan swore in, I won first. I went to grand jury of the Supreme Court. Brandon Scott, remember the Stop Snitching video from 2006? Well, if you want to keep your job, you got to snitch on Governor O'Malley. If you don't snitch on Governor O'Malley, that means you part of the 52 that been hiding in this corruption. You between a rock and a hard place, the mud and dirt. And I ain't scared of going to jail. I told you the other day when I hollered mic check and you thought you was clowning me by talking about pull your mask up. Dog, I'm getting ready to pull your mask off. You're not built for jail. Jail built for you. Remember that. When they tell you to cough and bend over and drop your drawers, I'm the one that sent you there. Because you didn't have a problem sending me there. Kiss your mama goodbye. You be gone by November. January 13th, I'm coming to Annapolis. When you hear mic check, make sure you got my paperwork. Delegate Sheila Roof got it. Judge Mary Mubala got it. Barbera got it. So when I come down there and see you, make sure you got it. You got it?